Thorlabs touches so many industries and so many areas of research that we're in kind of a unique position to really identify specifications that aren't being met. Hi, I'm David Manzi. I'm the Design Engineering Manager at Thorlabs. The Design Engineering Group, in general, a big part of what we do is characterizing and verifying the metrology for all of the optics-related products that go into our catalog, from simple lenses to all the way up to optical systems, multi-element lens systems. Sometimes that requires actually building metrology systems.
One nice thing is that Thorlabs produces a wide variety of metrology, so we can test a lot of different aspects of a device. We even have temperature cycling chambers, so we can monitor it before or after temperatures. We can even monitoring it as it's going through a temperature cycle. We do 100% inspection, so we know that if it's going out of here, it's going to pass all of its specifications. My name is Chris Pinion. I'm the Manufacturing Engineering Manager. The Manufacturing Engineering Department is responsible for supporting production in terms of process improvement, waste reduction, yield improvement. So we are there to help with any of those processes. Thorlabs is very vertically integrated. We have a full optics shop, so we manufacture most of our own polarizers. Raw calcite becomes Glenn Thompson's Glenn lasers. We do most of our own anti-reflection coatings on those polarizers. And since we have so many different products, I like to think that we have a bit of a toolbox. So we can very easily customize different rotators, different polarizers, different holders to make exactly what the customer is looking for. On the other side of my job, I also run what we call the specials department. Most of the requests that come in for a custom optic or optical assembly or fiber optic will come into the specials group, and we will review it for feasibility, business opportunity, and then we will work with either the manufacturing engineers or the design engineers to take it a step further. And if possible, we'll do some prototyping, some feasibility studies. And one of the things that I'm spoiled with here at Thorlabs is because we have such an inventory of components, we can very easily pull the things that we need or 3D print something in order to do a table test. And then if that's all good, then we would work with the customer on converting that into a viable product for them.
We present a lot of performance information on our products, and so we pay a lot of attention to what our products actually do and be sure that we can verify it. And then being able to execute it, and that's a matter of just having the right people, doing the metrology, being able to measure everything that we need to measure and verify everything that we need.
In order to get the most out of my team, and I think the best designs, oddly enough, I think it's not technical. I think I try to inspire empathy. So my engineers have to be aware that whatever process they're creating, whatever equipment they're getting, has to be understandable and relatable and operable by the people who are going to be using it.
I inspire my team by giving them a lot of freedom. Our engineers and technicians have freedom to explore what kind of research is being done, what's needed for that particular branch of research that isn't available, and what can we do to offer more. We stay up to date on new technologies. We're kind of all over the world, so we're getting feedback from other scientists and engineers on new areas of technology. And we really work hard to get involved with some of these cutting edge or bleeding edge technologies and acting on it. I think the most important thing is acting on it.